Hey, my couponing friends. Target has some really good in-store deals this week. So I'm breaking down 5 of the best ones and explaining exactly how each deal works. First, look for the Gutsy Organic prebiotic pouches. They're around $5.29 at Target. If you have the $6.29 Ibotta offer, you'll pay $5.29 at the register. Then submit your receipt to Ibotta and get $6.29 back. That makes this completely free, plus about a $1 moneymaker. Next, check the school supply section for the deal-worthy spiral notebooks. These are only around 35 cents each. If your Ibotta account has the 50-cent notebook, binder, or paper rebate, you'll pay 35 cents and get 50 cents back. That means you're getting the notebook free, plus making a few cents back. The third deal is on Clio drizzled Greek yogurt bars. They're around $3.99. Some Ibotta accounts have a free after-offer rebate for the same amount. So if that offer is in your account, pay $3.99 at Target, submit to Ibotta, and get your money right back. Now for the bigger household deal. Target has a promotion where you spend $50 on qualifying household products and get a $15 Target gift card. One way to do it is with Charmin, Gain, and 2 qualifying Febreze products. Clip any available Target Circle manufacturer coupons before checkout. After the coupons come off, your out-of-pocket can drop to around $31, and then you'll get a $15 Target gift card back, making your final cost around $16 for everything.
If you love affordable fashion, name brand finds, shoes, handbags, or gently used clothing, you need to check out Poshmark. When you create a brand new Poshmark account and enter my invite code TheZoricLosette during registration, you'll receive $10 in Posh credit. The credit can be used toward an eligible Poshmark purchase, but your order must total at least $15 to qualify. Poshmark has new and pre-owned items from individual sellers, so you can search for specific brands, compare prices like the items you're interested in, and even make an offer when that option is available. Remember, the $10 reward is Poshmark shopping credit and not cash. Full disclosure, this is my personal invite code, so I may receive Posh credit after your qualifying purchase is completed too. Pause the video and take a screenshot. My exact Poshmark invite code is TheZoricLosette. That's all one word with no spaces.
And last, check the Lunchables. They're 4 for $5 this week. If you have the Ibotta rebate for 20 cents back on each one, you can get 80 cents back when you buy 4. That brings your final cost down to about $4.20, or close to $1 each. Just make sure you check Target Circle and Ibotta before you shop, because rebate offers can vary by account and can disappear early.
If you've been thinking about starting a faceless YouTube channel, start it now. Everybody is so focused on TikTok and Instagram, but YouTube is where I want y'all thinking long-term. You're not just creating a video that might get views for a couple of days. Your YouTube videos can keep getting searched, watched, and making money months or even years after you post them. And here's the part people keep overthinking. You do not have to put your real face on camera. Create your AI avatar, give her a voice, choose your niche, and let your avatar become the face of your channel. You can build tutorials, commentary, educational videos, reviews, storytelling content. You've got options. And right now, the full YouTube Partner Program ad revenue requirement is still 4,000 public watch hours and 1,000 subscribers. So why wait and make this harder on yourself later? Start building those subscribers. Start building those watch hours. Start creating your video library now, because 6 months from now, you can either say, I wish I would have started, or you can already have a channel working for you. Start the faceless channel, create the avatar, and get to work.